Welcome to Can It Cowork, where I put Copilot Cowork to the test, run it through my business scenarios, and answer that question, can it cowork?
Can it cowork? Can it cowork? Let's find out.
Today I'm putting Copilot Cowork to the test to see if it can help me with conference prep. I have this deck that I've created, but the branding is old and I need to use the conference deck for this. So I want to take the contents of this deck, which I have stored on my OneDrive, and translate it into this template. So let's take a look and give it a try and see if Copilot Cowork can help us out here. In Copilot Cowork, I'm first going to reference the two files in question. I'll click the plus button and I'll add some work context. I'll go over to Files and add in my Copilot Overview slide deck, and then I'll add in the Agent Academy Live template. Now I'm going to give it a prompt, letting it know what I want it to do. So I'm going to say, take the contents of this deck and make it use this template. Now I could be more descriptive than that, but I'm purposely going to leave this vague just to see what the starting point is here. So I'll send this into Copilot Cowork and we'll see what it does. We can look at Cowork's thought process as we go along, and it looks like it's reading through those two decks right now. And the details panel will open up now on the right-hand side where we can see all the progress and the specific task that it's outlined. So it needs to read the source deck, which it's doing now, then it will analyze the template layouts, and then build a new deck based off of that template. So we just have to sit back and let it run through the task. And as it's going through this, I can look at the skills and I can see it's using one skill, which is the PowerPoint deck skill. So it's going to use that to create our new deck based off of that template. So it looks like it's analyzed our source deck. Now it's moved on to the step where it's analyzing the template. So notice it analyzed the template and it has the color scheme here, and it even detected the font. So now it's on to the last step of building the new deck based off of that template. Really crossing my fingers that this can co-work because this will save me a ton of time. So I can see it's thinking right now. If I want a little bit more detail of what's going on behind the scenes, I can click on this arrow and I can see it's spawning a sub-agent to check the quality. So I actually started a timer on my phone when we first sent in this prompt just to see how long end to end this would take. And right now it looks like we have a deck, and this is exactly at the 6-minute, 20-second mark. So not too bad in the grand scheme of things. So now is the moment of truth where we answer the question, can it co-work? We have our output folder and I see a Copilot Overview deck in there. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, this is very promising, looks great so far. That is the template file that I provided, and that's the title of my session. Let's scroll through and see what the rest looks like. Agenda slide looks amazing. We have the background that we want, we have the color scheme and the fonts. Same thing for this slide, all the text got translated over. A little bug right here, but that's easily fixable. That slide looks great, so does this. So far, looking really good here, no major complaints. There's just very small minor things that are really easily fixable. So doing a quick spot check here, I have to say this did a pretty phenomenal job. So what's the verdict here? Can it co-work? I give this one a definite yes. This really worked. It saved me a ton of time, so I didn't have to do any of this manually. All I have to do is make a few little spot checks, improvements, and I'm good to go. So a really good use case if you do a lot of presentations like I do, and you need to constantly take your decks and move them over to different templates. Give Cowork a try and see if it can help you out. So keep an eye on the channel because I'll be mixing in some of these videos answering the question, can it cowork, as I run it through my scenarios. And if you have ideas for use cases you want me to try with Copilot Cowork, drop a note in the comments and let me know. I'll see you in the next video.